Let me start off by creating space for all those affected by Hurricane Ian. This is a view of the storm from Saint Augustine's downtown's perspective and what it looked like here during the storm. It started out getting windy, and then a light rain started a few hours after. There wasn't much of a sunset Wednesday night as the rain already moved in. Woke up Thursday morning to strong wind gusts and rain. We reached 7 inches of rainfall by Thursday afternoon. It's not the rainfall we were watching. It was the high tide. And when that came in, that is when the flooding started getting serious. We adventured around town safely, checking on small businesses per requested by the owners. What we experienced and the flooding that we saw is like nothing else in our lifetime. To see the destruction one of these storms can bring is immaculate. The damage Saint Augustine sustained was minimal compared to those down south. It is quite an experience to stand in the ocean in the middle of the street, almost waist deep. As you can see, there were businesses affected and flooded, but for the most part, the town fared very nicely, and we pulled together. And within 3 days, it was as if the storm didn't even hit. To experience this happening in your neighborhood or in your front yard is something completely different than watching it online. We had fun where we were, but our hearts go out to those miles away, truly affected in a different way.